chickens, sweet their quails, and what the dick is. It's a paltry telephone down on the farm. What a gorgeous occasion this is. It's Ida, she's my missus. So forgive me if I'm laying on the spot. She knows what I needed quacking to point out the skills I'm lacking. It's a poultry tale.
The folk down on the farm. Come on down and don't be strangers. In our backyard of free rangers. It's a poultry tale. A folk down on the farm. Here where waterfowl have muddled, little chicks are mollycoddled, for the cat would like to do them grievous harm. He's our only source of worry, feathers rarely get to flurry. It's a poultry tale, a folk down on the farm.
How they flatter themselves. I never show much interest in this group. I admit I'm quite a glutton, but this feathered form of mutton wouldn't even make a palatable soup. But when those little ducklings, that's a flavor you won't match. They're delicious and I just can't get enough. Ask a parrot who is feline, you will see me make a beeline for those beautiful little juicy balls of fluff.
In our waterfowl garden, there's a morning on the china, and a gathering of Oriental charm. You'll find everything together. Do a cool song from the world. It's a poultry tale of folk down